Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got a Selectric 3 here, right here on the bench. And it's got a bad part. In fact, that part is very similar to this part. This is a bearing cap that goes on this right shaft, operational shaft. And this is on the frame inside this shift area. And it's got a bearing in here just like this. And it's supposed to be mounted to a plate just like this. And then the operational shaft goes through here and turns like that. Well, what happened with this machine, probably a long time ago, was the shaft got stuck from old oil in there. And now when it turns, it actually turns this bearing. It broke it free from its mount and its key slot there inside of this bracket, and it started turning the whole bearing inside of here, and that has worn off. It has worn a hole, it rounded out this whole frame assembly. So if you look at this down here, this shaft should be completely stable, and it's not. You can move it up and down. It actually moves these levers while I'm at it. You can move it front to back, up and down. It moves everything. See this lever up here moving, and on top of that, when it shifts up and down, it moves the whole operational shaft up and down and side to side, which is a bad thing. This should be completely stable. In fact, here's the bushing that stabilizes it, but it's not doing much good because it's, so that bearing is right over there. Really hard to see, but it's right there. Let me get a light in here maybe, so you can see it's right there. And I've actually flushed it out so it's not turning with the typewriter, but it is shifting a lot. You can see it move side to side when I hit the shift, and it is still turning, but it's not frozen up anymore. But that's really got to be replaced, or it's just going to cause multiple problems. And haven't seen that too often on these Selectrics. In fact, I've probably only seen that happen 5 times. And look at all that movement. You see these cams going up and down over here when I hit the shift. That's just crazy. Alright, that's a bad bearing, and I am Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.